Hey, this is Easy Tech Tampa Bay. Today I'm going to show you how to change a keyless entry battery on 2009 Hyundai Accord. Basically we need the tools, which is the screwdriver, and to separating the two pieces over here, probably you can use your nail or you can use a guitar pick to take care of that for you. And you're gonna need a battery. The battery is gonna be 16 CR1616, so that's the size of the battery goes for that particular keyless entry. Now I'm gonna show you how to do this. It's an easy process. You just need to have the right tools to do it. First you're gonna unscrew the right here, and if you're looking over here you can see the little opening over here, so you can actually put your nail up there and it clicks out. The rest of the parts, basically you can use this to separate them, which is there you go. It was between here and we just don't want to break those, so basically you have to be gentle to get them open. There you go, without breaking it. And this is what you're gonna see over here. We're gonna take that piece out. That's your keyless entry up here, basically. If you look on this side, there's a latch on this side, and there's one on this side too. So we're gonna use that guitar pick to push it up a little bit and take it up, and that's your battery. So to change the battery, basically you just pull it out, put your finger someplace, and it comes out, and you replace it with new battery in there. This one is already being changed, so I'm just going to go ahead and put it back, and we're going to do the same thing. Make sure the sides match, and it goes right here. As soon as it clicks, that means it's already in place. We're going to put that one back inside of the housing back in here. And in order to do this, have first from the top to the bottom and clicks, and we're gonna get your screw back in here. And screw it back in till there you go. And that was the easy processing to do this. So next time when you want to do yours, you know how to do it. If you have any question, you always can send me a message. Thank you for watching. Good day.